Hey, it's Eric Lee with VictorEric Design+Build. Welcome back to our BTS series for this transformational reno in the Vancouver Douglas Park area. Last time we showed you how the house was lifted. Now we've gone past that. We've dropped it back down, built brand new foundation walls for them that gives them extra tall ceiling height, and we're doing rough-ins right now. So I want to go in and continue showing you the progress of this home. Alright, so we showed you the behind the scenes of this transformational reno before. It's a heritage house that we lifted. We built a whole new foundation in the basement. We dropped it back down. Now we're in the rough-in stage. We just finished meeting the client for a window walkthrough, making sure that there's everything's happy before we place the order. But I want to take this chance to walk you through the house and show you the progress as you follow us on this BTS series. This is the master bedroom, and compared to the old master bedroom, this is gorgeous and it's super luxurious, much bigger space. We were able to give them a huge master bedroom with a seating area by the window there. This part here will be their bed niche where they can push a bed in. We'll frame the ceiling down on an angle on the night tables on that side too. So then you have this nice little recessed alcove for their king size bed. And the ensuite here is huge now compared to the old one. We have a corner window bringing lots of light, and there's going to be a freestanding tub basically right in that area there. And on this side, we're going to have a private toilet room with just a sheet of glass, privacy screened, alongside a large walk-in shower. And this opening is gonna be gorgeous. You see how big that opening is right now? That whole thing will have two pocket doors, and it'll be recessed when it's open, which is most of the time for my clients, and it'll be revealing this gorgeous ensuite, and they're so thrilled about it. I just walked through with them for our windows walkthrough. That's one of the typical walkthroughs that we do with our clients when we do custom builds. We want to make sure everything's thought through, and before we order any windows, we want to make sure we walk through and talk about the openings, the screening, the sizes, any last minute changes. You know, these are the front windows, and it's got this gorgeous tree that they're keeping, and it offers great privacy. They don't even need window blinds here. So this is the new stairs that we're framing here. You'll see over there, there's the dark old sheathing. This was a turn of the century home, so we kept a lot of that. That's really all that we kept. It's a major transformational reno, but this stair is gorgeous. We're bringing so much light through here. They are ecstatic about it. This block here is their powder room, but we'll be doing this as a concealed door opening and feature wall panel. It's going to be gorgeous. That's the old fireplace that we had to keep, and we're just working with that. You can see the difference between the new framing and the old framing with the plywood sheathing. We're just getting ready for rough-in right now. But this is, compared to the old house, a skookum house. Look at the engineering that goes into this. The paralam, the joists, and I'll show you the attic later, but every single one of those joists in the attic is also paralam. So it's a very well-engineered transformational reno. So this is the attic framing that we framed for them, and this is the access where we'll be putting a ship's ladder, and when it's done, they'll get access to all of that attic space. They are ecstatic about that. Just thinking about the future space there, it's going to be gorgeous. So coming in from the entry there, you have a living room, which we've kept facing the front. We've got the back side of the powder room, but this space where I'm standing now is the dining room. So we've got the dining room in the middle, and then towards the back we've got the family room, alcove for the media unit, huge patio door there, and then of course the kitchen is the heart of the house. So we've got a large kitchen there with a corner window there, really open, really bright. So this is the basement We haven't really framed this up yet. We're just getting ready for the in-ground plumbing. But I wanted to show you the concrete wall. So this, if you look at our previous BTS series for this house, had this house lifted up and we were building these new concrete walls and then we dropped it back down. So this is kind of what happens when you lift up an old house. It is quite a comprehensive procedure, but it's well worth it. Lifting up a house is super comprehensive. It's definitely more for transformational type of renos, not a simple thing to do, but it's well worth it. Look at how tall this is compared to what I am now. The old basement was only 6'6". Now we're able to get them like 9 feet ceilings, new concrete walls that's well water proofed, damp proofed, all of that good stuff. So this house, although is old home renovation, is completely brought up to date to modern building technology standards. I hope you liked that video. It's the second one in our BTS series for this transformational reno in the Douglas Park area of Vancouver. If you have a character home that you're thinking of renovating, especially on an extensive scale like this, do give us a call. We'll give you the expertise and the advice that you need to get this job done right. I'm Eric with VictorEric Design+Build, and we create amazing spaces.